watched
Ito.
when he was just and things made the idea that Ruby and Joey
Look at my
had
kitty,
done
kitty.
something when I think about that. Do you feel
Ano pa ba?
guilty? I was the last line of
Ano lang ako.
for the
You say second degree.
Convinced me
Easy.
that there was a cause for fighting.
Diba? Ang dali lang. Ito yung ginagamit namin.
But they believe us.
Ito nagpapawak sa akin. Lalagyan ng pulbo, tapos wag babasain for 6 hours.
Only let me.
Ay, kabila
And
naman.
I saw so.
Oh, mas makapal daw tong sa kabila. Basta pag ganito, kung anong way mo hinilagay yung ano, yan. So yan, ilalagay niya is pataas. Yan. Hahatakin mo siya pababa. Against. Or sus!
this woman that I
Ay, naku, ginagawang.
Pataas niya nilagay, pababa niya hahatakin.